Hey, it's Eric with Visualping. Today I'm going to show you how to run a reoccurring Visualping report. If you're not familiar with Visualping Reports, it's the best way to take all the alerts you're getting in Visualping across all the different web pages that you're monitoring and summarizing them into one easy to understand brief report that you could read on your own, share with your boss, or work on with your colleagues. It's a great way to summarize or contextualize all the things that are happening across all the web pages that you're monitoring with Visualping. All right, let's get started. So I'm logged into my Visualping account. The first thing I'm going to do is go into this middle panel here and click on the reports icon. Once I do that, the reports side panel will pop up, and I have three main options here: new, history, and schedule. As you might guess, I care about schedule. So the first thing I'll do is choose how often this runs. So I can say run every week, every day, or every month, on a specific day at a specific time. I'm happy with Monday at 9 a.m. The next thing I see here is report summary analysis. This is where I, if I so choose, can click and tell Visualping AI what it is that I care the most about in this report. So in this case, it might be something like highlighting any pricing or product changes. I can then choose to select what alerts or notifications are included as part of the report. So do I care about just the important changes, which is the icon here that has the flashing alarm, or all changes, which may include things that I don't necessarily care about? For most folks, you're going to want to have this selected button or this selected option left as the default. Next thing I can do is change the summary, filter by pages, or some other options. But for most folks, you're going to want to notice here where I can filter by pages, but I don't have to. By default, the report will summarize or distill all the changes on all the pages in my specific workspace. But if I don't want that, I can use this perhaps by using the labels or the pages that are running every day or every month on a specific frequency in order to only build the report around those. In this case, I'm going to leave it unchecked. Next thing I'll do is just hit schedule report, and that's it. So now every Monday at 9 a.m. in my inbox from Visualping, I'll have a Visualping report that I can read and digest, share, and it'll help me understand everything that happened that week in case I missed anything, or just to best understand what was the most important things, depending on the context that I gave the report. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, check out the Visualping Reports explainer video that I'll link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.